So joining me now with more on the jobs report and what to make of it is Amy Glaser. She's a senior vice president at Adecco. It's a staffing and recruiting firm. Amy, welcome. It's great to have you on the show today. And what is your reaction to today's report?
I think it's a good day. It shows signs of durability, stability, and I think that's going to be the mantra for 2025. We still have jobs outpacing the number of job seekers. So I still think, although people may want to be a little bit disappointed, I think today was a good day.
Certainly solid growth, but we should probably note, Amy, that this does not take into account, based on the survey period of earlier in February, the tens of thousands of job cuts that we've seen play out in the federal government, even though the unemployment rate did tick a little bit higher to 4.1%. At Adecco, what are the job trends that you're seeing?
Healthcare is still white hot. It's been hot for 4 years. It's going to be hot for the next 40. So anything healthcare related. We're also gearing up. Spring break, seasonality, hospitality will be white hot. Education continues to improve. Those are the white hot sectors today.
And if someone is in the market for a job, maybe they just lost their job or they're concerned that they could lose their job down the road, from a recruitment standpoint, what is the best way for potential employees to market their skills?
I think it's keep your options open, look at different industries, skill sets, but more importantly than ever, soft skills matter. So it's how you interview, what you bring to the table, passion, enthusiasm, those are key.
Certainly those are key. In terms of what we've seen play out, some of the volatility of late, whether it's the cuts that we've seen through DOGE in the federal government or certainly trade policy, are you seeing signs of this in your firm in terms of the data that you're looking at?
Today, there's no trickle down effect. We're not seeing it. What I am seeing is a huge uptick in part-time workforce. So we're seeing in 2027, it's expected that the gig workforce will outpace the standard 40-hour-a-week worker. So the folks that are getting it right, the companies that are getting it right, are embracing flexibility and really catering to those workers.
Interesting. So as a worker, what is the best way to navigate that if part-time work is something that's on the table?
It's your online presence. So be online, network.
I think that that's really helpful in terms of the takeaways, Amy. Of course, as we look at this data, do you anticipate that companies will be navigating the scenario any differently, or do you think part-time is still attractive to them with the current backdrop?
Krista, I think flexibility is key now and in the future. And I think most employers are in a wait-and-see approach with what's going to happen in the near term. But the ones that are getting it right are really honing in on flexibility and making sure that happens.
All right, Amy Glaser, Senior Vice President at Adecco. Amy, thank you so much. And again, for our viewers just tuning in, of course, we are awaiting this market open with 151,000 jobs added last month, a little bit less than expected, as unemployment did tick higher to 4.1%. Thanks, Amy.